Hey guys, I'm going to be answering the question if Words to Win is legit or scam. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Words to Win is a word puzzle game available on Android and iOS platforms. Its developer is Rewardify Inc. The app allows players to earn virtual currency, gold coins, by completing word puzzles. These coins can then be redeemed for real-world rewards such as PayPal cash or gift cards. The app also offers sweepstakes with cash prizes ranging from $50 to $500. Despite its appealing premise, users' experience vary, with some praising its entertainment value and others expressing skepticism about its payout system. Okay, so is it a legit or a scam? So that is up for debate. While the app is available on both platforms, Android and iOS, it's got positive reviews, 4.5 stars on both platforms. Several users raised concerns about its payout system. Many users report difficulty in reaching the $7 cash out threshold, while some stating that their earnings stagnate just below this amount. Additionally, the app's reliance on ads for revenue and the low payout rates have led to some question its overall legitimacy. Okay, so let's talk about the earnings and potential payouts. So earning per level, approximately 5 cents to 10 cents in gold coins. Cash out threshold, which is $7 minimum required to redeem rewards. Payout method is PayPal or gift cards only. And also they got sweepstake prizes, so daily and monthly opportunities to win cash prizes ranging from $50 to $500. While the payout threshold is relatively low compared to similar apps, many users report challenges in reaching this amount due to the slow accumulation of earnings and the app's ad-centric model. So let's go ahead and talk about the pros. So it's a legitimate app available on both Google Play and App Store. You've got sweepstake opportunities, chance to win cash prizes, user-friendly interface, simple and engaging puzzles, cross-platform availability, accessible on both Android and iOS. Setbacks, low earnings, minimal payout per level, and it's very ad-heavy, so frequent ads can disrupt gameplay. Payout challenges, so difficulty in reaching cash out thresholds, and earnings stagnation, reports of earnings plateauing near payout thresholds. So final verdict, Word to Win offers an engaging word puzzle experience with the allure of real world rewards. However, the app's low earnings per level, reliance on ads, and challenging in reaching the payout threshold may make it less appealing for users seeking substantial rewards. While it's not a scam, it's advisable to approach the app with realistic expectations and consider it more a casual pastime rather than a reliable source of income.